What's up, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I am going to be doing another high risk, high reward chart on a coin called 1Earth. So, guys, keep that in mind. This is a full disclosure. This is a very, very high risk, high reward. So, do not bet the farm on this thing. If you do like, the asset, do your own research, of course. I'm just showing what is potential based on the chart. Doesn't mean it has to happen. And if it does go against us, it's going to go against us hard. So use your risk management strategies. Make sure you guys fully understand that. This analysis is 100% based on us transitioning from a bear market to a bull market and us not making a lower low and Bitcoin continuing its grind upwards. So please, like I said, keep that in mind. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes. So let's just hop in and don't blindly follow anything I say or do. All right, so 1Earth. The market cap on this thing is currently sitting at $188,000. So it's a micro cap, small cap, shitcoin, if you want to call it that. It's got 72 million circulating supply. So this thing has plenty of room to run. It's currently sitting at 0.0026 cents. And this is what I see as possible and likely if we have indeed bottomed. So the structure that I'm looking at here appears to be potentially a large corrective structure. My assumption is this is going to be a corrective structure and it's not going to turn into a macro bullish impulsive move, meaning that this is just this impulse is a one wave and then we have a two and then we continue up all the way to 10, 20, $30. I don't think that's going to happen, but that doesn't need to happen in order for us to make a nice chunk of change on this thing if I am right. So I've got this as an ABC, a three-waved structure down that bottomed here back in November. And from there, it pumped roughly 1,100%. So it did a 11x within really just a couple of weeks. And then since then, it's got this nasty bleed out. And my anticipation is that it reverses somewhere in this zone here in this box, which is sitting right at some important key fib levels, which is the 50% retracement level, the 618 retracement level, and at the very bottom, which is this orange line down here, which is the 786 retracement level. So I assume it's going to bottom somewhere within that range, and then from there, it will do one of two different things. It will either become impulsive like this white count 1, 2, 3 wave taking us up to about 16 cents, and then a consolidation and a 4 wave, and then a final 5th wave to put in what I believe would be an A wave at about 42 cents. So that analysis is, let's say we drop down to about 0.0021 cents. My 3-wave target is roughly 7,300%, which is obviously a very nice little gain there. And my upper target of the 5-wave is about 19,500%. So again, this thing is high risk, high reward. If it goes against us, then likely we're just going to get some sort of bleed out, no different than this. And eventually it will bottom and eventually it will pump hard. But hopefully that'll be now and we can catch this thing and ride the gains up to my initial target. So if that count is not valid or does not happen, the secondary or potential count would be that this is an A. So this would be an ABC up. So this would move in a impulse 5-wave structure once it bottoms up to here, roughly 20.028 cents or so, which if it bottoms here at 0.02, that would be a 1,200% gain, and then have it a B wave down, and then a 5-wave up to put in the C. So ultimately, my targets are roughly the same. I believe this thing will get up to 15 to 40 cents, regardless of which path it takes. It's just a matter of which path it's going to take. we can hop into the weeds just for a second to get my micro count on the 4 hour here of what this thing I think is doing. So once this thing bottomed, I believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 5-wave structure. And then we have this W, X, Y, which again, I believe will probably bottom anywhere from 0017 to this dotted red line at 0022. That's ultimately where I would like to see it drop into before it reverses. So hopefully it does. Hopefully we can catch it and ride the rocket ship up. See y'all later.